The battle over abortion back in the national spotlight. The Supreme Court hearing a case today centering around a Mississippi law banning abortion after 15 weeks of pregnancy. If the justices vote to overturn Roe v. Wade, it's likely abortion would quickly become illegal or severely restricted in at least 22 more states.
And 13 Action News anchor Ross DiMattei now joins us live to explain why Nevada is not one of them, but also why, Ross, we would still feel the effects here.
Yeah, both of those things can be true. Nevada is considered one of 13 safe haven states, meaning that abortions are protected under our state's constitution. So even though Nevada's right to abortion may not be in jeopardy, pro-choice advocates fear that the state's ability to provide abortions may be.
Today is a pivotal moment.
Lindsay Harmon with Planned Parenthood Votes Nevada says since Texas recently outlawed abortion after 6 weeks, the number of women leaving Texas seeking abortion services in so-called safe haven states like Nevada has increased 12-fold.
We anticipate, should other bans be put in place, that those numbers would just continue to increase.
Which is why she is closely watching the Supreme Court case Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health. If the justices vote to overturn Roe v. Wade, she expects the number of out-of-state abortion seekers will increase exponentially, making it harder to get care in Nevada and making some less likely to seek abortion services.
We know that these restrictions in other states impact folks that already have systemic barriers to access to care. So Planned Parenthood right now is open. The health centers are prepared to serve those patients, but this is a very serious issue for a lot of the states that already have trigger or copycat bans on the books that are going to, go dark should Roe v. Wade be overturned.
It was definitely an exciting day because it was the first time that the unborn have had a fair and clear hearing in front of the Supreme Court in close to 3 decades.
Melissa Clement with Nevada Right to Life doesn't deny that overturning Roe v. Wade would lead to more out-of-state abortions, but she believes individual states should have the right to decide whether to allow abortion at all.
The people should decide. And I think once the people of Nevada have a chance to decide whether or not an unborn child who can feel pain should be protected or not, I believe the majority of Nevada will be with me saying that an innocent life should be protected.
Now, it's likely that the Supreme Court won't issue a ruling in this case until the springtime, but tune in tomorrow at 6 o'clock as we explore the role that the debate over abortion will have in some very important upcoming elections here in our state of Nevada. Live in the studio, Ross DiMattei, 13 Action News.